over to Matt Ference, Deputy Consul General, US Consulate of Karachi.
General, we're really proud of this event. It was made possible by the Asia Foundation and the National Incubation Center in Karachi. But really, most of all, we're proud of you. And you guys should be very, very proud of yourself. I know that women from the far-flung areas of Sindh and Balochistan, you overcame challenges of mobility and technology to form your teams and to participate in this hackathon.
There right now, but I'm excited to see what happens on the other end. We're really excited to speak with you. And what you're doing here is incredibly important. You all are tackling some of the most immediate challenges that our societies face today in the second edition, 2.0, of the Built by Her Hackathon.
I think तीनों ही हैं, हम super excited भी हैं, nervous भी हैं थोड़े से, and on fire to day one.
On fire to on the day one
Yeah.
से, महीने से we are, which is good.
To education, climate change, tourism, I can't imagine a stronger set of people working to solve these problems than the 200 plus teams that we've had really burning the midnight oil for the last 48 hours to come up with creative and powerful solutions to these problems. So to all 800 plus participants, I doff my hat to you and salute for the effort